Hello, let's do Adventist Sudoku, day 20. If you're not familiar with Adventist Sudoku, definitely check out the description for more details. There's a playlist and a PDF for you. All right, so day 20 is called Alien Abacus, and this is by Kinnison. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. In addition to that, we have these white and black dots in the grid. They're called kropki dots, usually. Although kropki means dot in Polish, so we're actually saying dot dots. But anyway, with kropki dots, the white dots separate consecutive digits. So if this was a 2, then, if this was a 2, this would have to be a 1 to be consecutive with 2, or it'd have to be a 3. Those are the only options if this cell were a 2. And the black dots separate digits with a ratio of 1 to 2, which an easy way of saying that is 1 is exactly double the other. So if I put a 2 here, this could be a 1 to be exactly half of 2, so 2 is double 1. Or this could be a 4 because 4 is double 2. All right, and so those are the rules. Definitely try it yourself first, and I'm going to get started now. So let's think about black dots in a 6x6. So all the digits can go on a black dot except 5. If I try to put a 5 here, then you can't do half of 5 because I can't do 2.5 in a Sudoku, and I can't double 5 because that would be 10. So 5 is not allowed on black dots. But if you look, every single cell in this box 1 is associated with a black dot other than this cell here. So this is where the 5 goes for sure. We have the same thing going on over here. So this is where the 5 goes. All right. The other thing to think about is of the other digits, one of these is going to be 3, 6, and the other is going to be 1 from 1, 2, and 4. And so we can't put the 3, 6 over here because, like, let's say I put a 3 here, then both of these would have to be 6. 3 can only be involved with a 6. And 6 can only be involved with the 3. And so this is not where the 3, 6 goes. This is where the 3, 6 goes. Same thing down here. And then these are going to be from 1, 2, 4. But this is going to form a chain. And so the middle digit is the 2. The 2 is the one that can be with 2 different digits. And that's going to be surrounded with a 1, 4. And it's the same down here. This is going to be a 2 surrounded by a 1, 4. And so now this is going to be this one and this one. These are both going to be the other 1, 4. So these 2 digits are the same, and these 2 digits are the same. And then let's see what we want to do with this. Next to this 1, 4, if I put a 1 here, actually that's not going to work because I would have to then put another 2. If I put a 1 here, the only digit consecutive with 1 is 2, and now I'd have 2 2s in the row. So this actually has to be a 4. That gives us the 1 and the 4 here. That gives us the 1 here and the 4 here and the 1 here. And so now we know 2, 4, 5 go down here. The 2 consecutive digits are 4 and 5. We know the order, 5 and 4, and then this has to be the 2. And then up here is 3 and 6. 3 is the one that's consecutive with 4, so that's 3 and 6. And then that resolves this 3 and 6 up here. And then now let's do these columns. So what do I need in this column? I need a 1, and I need a 4. And then over here, I need a 2, and I need a 5. But we know 5 can't go on a black dot. So this has to be the 2 and the 5. And now the 2 could go with 1 or 4, so we cannot resolve that yet. But these are the last 2 digits. These are 3 and 6. And then let's finish this up. So what's consecutive with 4? Well, the 5 is used, so we have to use the 3. And then the rest of this row is going to be the 6. And then these are going to be 1, 2, and 5. And then the 1, 2 looks up, making this the 5. This is a 1, 2 pair. This is a 6 and a 3. And okay, so we need these digits to all be consecutive because they're going to end up down here. So I could do 1, 2, 3. The other option is to do 2, 4, and then a 3. So basically our options are, if this is a 2, basically the 6 is not possible. That's kind of the point. If this was a 6, then I could not make all 3 of these consecutive for hopefully obvious reasons, because 2 and 6 are too far away. So this is the 3, this is the 6, and now we know this is either going to be 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 4. So the middle cell is going to be 2 or 3, but it can't be a 3. So it must be a 2. And so because the middle cell is 2, it's surrounded by 1 and 3, which have to go this way because of those. And so now that resolves the 4 and the 1. And then now that also resolves this 1 and this 2. And our remaining digits are 4, 5, and 6. This is the 6. This is the 5, and this is the 4. And we are done. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed day 20, Alien Abacus, and let me know how you did in the comments. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, then why not leave a like and subscribe.